Hello, welcome to episode 182 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you a great exercise for the right hand, and it makes for a cool little song also. It's a very familiar sound to you. It's skipping octaves. Okay, so you're skipping over strings. What I'm doing here is at the 5th fret of the A string, the 7th fret of the D string. Skipping over the A string entirely. This can be a nice thing also to work on your muting. It's very nice to mute with your right hand. It's also effective if you use your left hand and just hold down the strings as long as you need. Like that. You cut them very short, really accentuate the rhythm of it. And it's kind of cool to go from this, then down to the G, and up to C. So I'm doing A, then to an A an octave higher, G at the 3rd fret, to the G an octave higher, the 5th fret on the D string, C, which is the 3rd fret on the A string, 5th fret on the G string, and back to A. So it may sound like a New Order song or something from the 80s, or a disco kind of thing. But it's a cool sound and a very cool exercise to get with skipping the strings and try to get as even as possible. And it doesn't matter if you use down strokes on the octave or up strokes, whatever feels most comfortable to you. Myself, I tend to do a down stroke on the 1st string, up stroke on the 2nd, but it doesn't matter, you can do all down strokes or a combination. So I hope it's useful to you. As always, please let me know any questions or comments, and thank you for watching.